Installation guidance for a wooden casement door. Step 1. Door frame installation. Assemble the door frame with screws and nails. Fit the door frame to the door opening and use wood blocks to fix it on position. Check whether the door frame is level with a laser level. Fix the door frame to the wall with rivets. Apply sealing strips into the grooves in the frame. Step 2. Hinge installation. Fix the door panel to the frame to locate the hinge installation positions. Cut slots at the marked positions and trim them to fit the hinges. Use screws to fix one side of the hinge to the door panel. Fit the door panel to the frame and fix the other side of the hinge with screws. Step 3. Door frame edging. Inject foam into the gap between the door frame and the wall. Cut door casings into appropriate lengths according to the size of the door frame. Apply foam adhesive to the back of the door casings and fix them onto the door frame. Step 4. Lock installation. Measure and mark the appropriate lock installation position. Use a drill to make appropriate slots and drill holes on the door panel. Trim the slot to fit the lock body. Install the lock body. Install the handle. Install the lock faceplate and fix it with screws. Install the lock cylinder and rotate the latch to test whether it works properly. Step 5. Lock strike plate installation. Measure to locate the strike plate installation position on the door frame. Cut slot on the marked position and trim them to fit the strike plate. Fix the strike plate firmly with screws. Installation completed.